What is so special about these Audacity courses? I would say one unique aspect of these Audacity courses is personalized individual feedback. If you take any of the courses, you will get personalized feedback on your recording. From my experience of working with voiceover artists and audiobook creators, I find a common mistake. They don't fully understand their recording quality. They cannot spot some simple mistakes they are making over and over. These mistakes cost them the quality of the final audio. Taking my courses will teach you the necessary Audacity skills and set the path in the right direction. I offer an Audacity course bundle that offers a huge discount over if the courses are purchased separately. You can still take the bundle offer if you purchased one of my Audacity courses. Please send me an email to learn about your customized offer. I provide this free Sound Better PDF guide which is easy to follow. I strongly suggest you grab the free copy of the Sound Better guide from description. You will find the bundle course link in the description and in the pinned comment. If you want to in an efficient and easy path of audio editing, please enroll in the course.